Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here, and I want you to be a detective today, for our CBC words and thinking about rhyming words for any of these CBC words in your story. So remember, rhyming words have the same sound, have the same sounds at the end for our words. They may have a different beginning letter, but they have same sounds for words and they sound alike. Are you ready, boys and girls? Miss Tigner is going to read our story, Big Cat again. Big cat can nap. Big cat can wake. Big cat can hug. Big cat can fly. Big cat can hide. Big cat can dance. Big cat can be fun. Big cat can sit. Big cat can see. Big cat can run. Big cat can be fun. All right, boys and girls. So remember, for your assignment, we are going to find a CVC word. So example, the word cat. Can you think of any rhyming words that rhyme with cat? What about cat and hat? Those words rhyme. Can cat also rhyme with bat? Can. So if you need to go back and read the story again, you can pick out a CVC word and think about a word that rhymes with that CVC word. I know you can do it, boys and girls, because you are so smart. I hope you have a great day.